Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Okay, so if you were with me last week, then you know we've been drawing the new versions of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles from their hit movie, Mutant Mayhem. We've already drawn Leonardo, or Leo as he's called in the movie, and Michelangelo, or Mikey as he's called. This week we're tackling Raphael, or Raph, the brother with the hottest temper, the hair trigger, or as the other three refer to it, the rage problem. Once again, as I said with the first two, I want to point out that all of the turtles could be a challenge to draw. But as I have said, to me, that's what drawing is all about. Trying stuff that might push us out of our comfort zone. It's just a piece of paper. What a cool way to spend time, testing ourselves, while at the same time having fun doing it, right? Anyways, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Alright then, let's draw from the new TMNT Mutant Mayhem movie, Raph, or Raphael. We're going to draw Raph step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you watch any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this pose, Raph's body is a little over 3 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is just over 3 of those. Okay, so let's draw the roadmap for Raph from the new TMNT movie, Mutant Mayhem. So there's our roadmap for Raph. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help you to know where to put our Ninja Turtles' eyes, mask, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay? So let's rough out the features for Raph. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Raphael. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of our Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work figuring that out. As I often say, I want you to be present. And what I mean by that is you don't want to just mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. As you're drawing that final line, you want to be thinking about it and how you might improve it. Stay vigilant until the very end. Okay, so let's draw in the details for Raph. And that's how you do it. There you have it, one of the stars of the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles movie, Mutant Mayhem, Raph, or Raphael. So how do you think you did? Understand if you've never done Raph or any of the Mutant Ninja Turtles before, then you cannot expect to have drawn them perfectly. And as I pointed out at the beginning, this pose and this character in general is a bit tricky. You notice I don't spend time coloring our hot-headed hero during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. But now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Raph. And with that you can draw him again and again. And by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your drawing a Raph. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe and thanks for joining me. Until next time, cowabunga and keep drawing, my friends.